Wanna say hi? There's Pancake. Better at this channel thing than I am, but hey, whatever. You already knew that. Hey, welcome to I said channel already. So here's info. You can subscribe or follow or do none of that because it's a lot easier to not do any of it. Boop. I know, speaking from experience, because I'm really lazy. Hi, pals. Hey, welcome. It's Friday, so we're doing another beater box because that's all I do anymore because that's all I have time to do. I'm just joking. I have tons of time. Just don't really have any desire to do much more than this. This box is from Sole Supremacy, and this box cost a lot because that's just what happens sometimes. This box was $1,425 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $1,475 clearance. Hey, it's a counter. I'm not gonna explain it. Let's open the box. Anywho, if you guys missed last week's box, it's up on your screen right now. It's probably my favorite box I've ever gotten. It had a lot of dunks in it. Something that in my 5.5, 6 years of whatever, how long I've been doing these beater boxes, never gotten a box with that many dunks in it. So that was pretty cool. But $14.75 is probably in the top 5 of most expensive boxes I've gotten. Pancake agrees. And this price range is usually either really good or really bad. I'm hoping it's really good because this channel and this video is probably really bad. So it'll be a good balance. All right, this thing's open. First shoe up is a Jordan 3. It is a size US men's 7.5. It's very lightly worn. These are the Unite Chicago, or Unite Nike Air, sorry. The Unite Jordan 3 Special Edition. They released a Chicago themed one for All-Star Weekend 2 years ago or last year. Pancake, when was that? She doesn't know. But this pair's in pretty decent shape. It looks like it does have extra laces, or at least has the red laces. I don't know if there's more than just white and black laces going on here, which is kind of a shame. But 7.5 on a 3 is not a great size, so no box too. 7.5. Jordan 3 Unite. Hey, if you want to buy those, they're going to be on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The website I'm talking about is, of course, boostjedi420.com. All right, let's do the other loose pair. This loose pair seems to be decent, which I'm pretty okay with. It's collaboration with Off-White. This is the All Hallows Eve blazer, right? They are kind of dirty. You can see a lot of scuffing on the midsole, a lot of dirt, but these will be really easy to clean. And it's got that signature Virgil Abloh deconstructed design. It does have the original laces and the secondary laces, which I much prefer. And it does have the zip tie, in case you want to look like a huge dork. Overall, this shoe just needs a good solid cleanup, and these are really easy to clean. So 7.5, no box. Probably a decent amount of value in this though. Off-White All Hallows Eve blazer, I think is what it's called. All right, there are a lot of boxes in here. There's a grade school pair, size 5 youth, Jordan 8 Retro DB, Doernbecher. Do believe these are dead stock. A lot of people that love the Doernbecher releases think this is the best one they've ever done. I personally am not a fan of 8s. I think what Doernbecher and Nike do is a really, really beautiful, awesome program. I mean, it's designed by a kid, and you can tell, and that's what makes it so cool and so unique. These are dead stock. There's no wear. There's a little bit of discoloration on the outsole. It's a really, really iconic shoe because the Doernbecher 8 is one of a lot of people's, aside from the 4, probably the best Doernbecher to ever release, Jordan-wise at least. What am I talking about? Might be a little bit tough to move, but a very good shoe. Size 10.5, Jordan 13. These appear to be dead stock too. These are vintage, very cool. It's the 2004 gray toe release. Big fan of this. I love getting this era of Jordan. I think it's one of the cooler ones. The fact that these are dead stock. And another thing that's a little bit of a good fact is this mid section right here likes to bleed onto the upper a lot. There's not a lot of that going on here, but you can see no outsole wear, just a cool release from a very good era, and it's dead stock. There is a mint condition retro card in here too, which is awesome. So this is the kind of shoe I have absolutely no problem moving, and I don't know why. A lot of people have problems moving this kind of stuff. I do know that Sole Supremacy values vintage pairs, regardless of condition, a lot lower than they should be, but it's understandable due to their wearability window. So that's 10.5, Jordan 13 gray toe. Air Max 97 Undefeated in a size US men's 9. These are very lightly worn. These just came out. Like, I just don't like this colorway or the silhouette or really anything Undefeated really does. But super lightly worn. You can see that outsole wear is pretty minimal. There's just a little bit of dirt. There's no loss on the forefoot. Retailing these was $180. I can't imagine what the resell even on a dead stock pair of these is like now, let alone a worn pair. But people that also like Ultra Boosts and Yeezys, when they switch over to Nike, this is the shoe they usually go for. Yell at me in the comments if you want, but it's true. Size 9, Undefeated Air Max 97. Let's grab this. I have no idea what it is. Size 9, Air Jordan 11 Retro. I think these might be Jubilees based on the box, which is funny because I haven't seen a pair of Jubilees yet. That's exactly what they are. They're worn, pretty decent shape though. Jordan 11 Jubilee. I don't really know the story behind these. They came out like last year or the year before. There is very little wear on the insole. I don't even know if you can see it, but there's full size tag and there's a 23 and a Jumpman that's fully intact. There's just a little bit of dirt on the outsoles, which I'm sure if I clean these up, they'll look new because there's very little toe box creasing on the upper for a patent leather, which is very surprising. The only thing that doesn't have is original inserts, but it looks like a mixture of a 72 and 10 and maybe a Team Jordan. Don't yell at me. Or do, I don't really care. Size 9. Jubilee 11s. Okay, still 3 more in here. Something Tinker Hat. Oh, there's an SB. The SB we are doing last because of the channel. Size 12. Jordan 3 Retro Tinker NRG. They're worn, good shape. It's the first Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3 that came out, which isn't, you know what I mean, Tinkers. I think this was like the original sketch of the 3 that they scrapped or something like that, and they decided to re-release it or something. I don't remember. But it's a cool shoe. It's very, very nicely color blocked, but still a really cool shoe. It does have a original box. It does have a hang tag. It's a size 12, which is a great size for a Jordan 3 if you ask me. And I personally like 3s. I think they're the most comfortable Jordan. Size 12. Tinker Hatfield 3. Very cool. Box is a tiny bit beat up. 2 more in here. It's a Jordan 1 and an SB, which I'm leaving. Hopefully it's a good SB. $1,400 box, it better be a good SB. Size 9, Jordan 1. By the looks of it, looks like a shadow from 2018. It's exactly what it is. They are worn, but they are in really great shape. Just a little bit of creasing and some outsole wear. It's the 2018 retro of the Jordan 1 Shadow. Probably one of the most muted and easily wearable if you're into that. Jordan 1. I know my friend Untied Hawaii speaks very highly of this colorway. There is no more Jumpman, but there is a size sticker in there. These just need to be cleaned up and they'll be good to go. Looks like there's 1 gray lace, but it does have 2 black laces, which is the OG look. So can't complain about that. Really great size and an awesome colorway. Size 9, Jordan 1, 2018 Shadows. And the last box is an SB. It's a Tiffany box. Got an SB Dunk Low OG Quick Strike. And a size 9.5. I'm trying to think what this might be. Oh, that's really underwhelming. I thought it'd be something awesome. They're worn, but they're in okay shape, I guess. The stupid Supreme ones that came out with the jewel swoosh, which I think was just the dumbest looking collab, which Supreme is very good at dumb looking collabs, as I'm sure you know, but I mean, this is okay. This is probably the best looking colorway of the 3, in my opinion. Maybe 1A, 1B to the black and silver ones. These are really, really lightly worn shape. There's just a tiny bit of toe box creasing on the vamp right there. Outsole wear is pretty minimal. There's a tiny bit of heel drag, no star loss. I don't see any like hang tags or anything like that, which is kind of a shame, but I don't know what the value on these is like. It could be crazy. I doubt it though, because these are just really not great quality and just not really great to look at, or a great size for an SB Dunk, 9.5. But there you go. Really bummed myself out with that last shoe. Size 9.5. Supreme Dunk Low SB. That's $14.75 box. This box could be sneaky, but overall, I think I went into this with the mindset of it has to really blow my mind. It didn't blow my mind, but it's pretty good. Let's look at the numbers. If I were to guess, this box is pretty good. Probably not like great like last week's. I mean, this price range is just so hit or miss. It's just like not really much fun because it's like anxiety inducing because it's a lot of money. But hey, if you want to buy any of these, they'll be cleaned up and put on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can find that website by going to the internet and typing in sbmitch.com. into your internet web browser. That's exactly what it's called, and I will not repeat myself. Before that, they're gonna be cleaned up and disinfected with the Reshoevn8er family of products. If you wanna clean your sneakers, get them looking as good as the shoes on my website, use SBMitch10 at checkout to save 10% on your Reshoevn8er order, which is 10% off the actual order, not just 10% off shipping, because they do free shipping. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Super glad that it was very organized and very well thought out. Box recap series is coming back. I just haven't had a chance to do one, but it will be here on Monday. So stop back on Monday to see what a box that sold all the way through actually looks like and what the profit actually looks like too. So till Monday, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.